Okay, luckily for me, there is a piece of sun. So I'm going to quickly photograph this piece here. And again, I don't know if you guys can see like my little setup. I mean, I'm not putting it in the center because my light is actually looks better here. But see, again, this is all stuff from my house. So I'm just keeping it like really simple, really clean. You guys can't see, but I have this really awesome clean wall with no artwork on it. So maybe doing something simple like this, where you can photograph it from above and then photograph it from the side. And then maybe you could have something where then you're photographing someone taking a sip of it. Maybe do like a little splash of something. Maybe you want to do a GIF of like splashing the seltzer in. So, I mean, there's a lot that you can do with this. And already, just this little step that I've showed you, that's a lot of content, right? It's like you saying, you know, welcome to your home, you're setting up the drinks, you're doing stills of the table, of your ingredients, and then your final result. So this is something that you don't necessarily have to post in one day, but maybe this is something that you could schedule, you know, with a week, right? Like maybe you, again, maybe your idea is making like, you know, once a week cocktail, or maybe since people don't go out on Friday nights anymore, Saturdays, maybe do like your in-home cocktail hour. It'd be kind of cool to incorporate getting people involved, like your employees or your staff, or even your family at home, to kind of participate in photographing and have some really kind of cool ideas to share. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Again, I am bummed that I can't see most of you or have face-to-face meetings with you guys in terms of thinking about content for the spring or summer, but I'm going to end on a positive note and try not to try not to dwell on that, and that this is only going to be, you know, relatively short term. I know it's going to be really rough and really hard, but really I want to bring in some sort of creativity, some sort of fun. You know, I'm sure people are going to be stir crazy at the house, so kind of do fun activities like this. And then if you're doing drinks, then you get to drink it at the end. So I'll see you guys soon.